Working with Aaxon has been a pleasure for me. They provide you with everything you need. They're going to give you demographic studies, they're going to give you store layouts, they're going to give you equipment mixes, and they're even going to help you in the construction process. So basically, you're given a middle guy, like a concierge service.
Yeah, we support the customers throughout the sales process, and even after the sale. Of course, that's honestly one of the most crucial points, because you set a customer up, they're in their own small business, and now they go, what's next? What do I do?
Once your store is ready to go, they give you a checklist and they help to make sure that everything's in order for you to open. Then when you're ready to do your grand opening promotion, they work with you and they share ideas to make sure that you're doing the best grand opening campaign.
I get to meet a lot of different people who are opening these businesses for all sorts of reasons, whether it's to help their family or just to have some sort of financial freedom. And I enjoy the phone calls on the weekends when they say that there's not enough room in their laundry for people to wash their clothes. And that means I know I put my investor in the best position possible.
My best advice for anyone considering opening a laundromat is to make sure that you do your homework. Have an idea of which equipment you want to use, know what new technologies are coming so you can be ahead of the game, and make sure that you have a very good relationship with your distributor.